Hey guys, I hope you are doing well. Welcome to the channel. I want to show you what we got here. We got this speaker. This is Soundcore Boom 2. This is 80 watts max booming bass. Feel the power of the bass in every song. Race track subwoofer for added depth and clarity. 2.1 stereo clarity. This speaker got 50 watts race track subwoofer and dual 15 watts twister. Delivers crisp high deep bass. Listening all day. Once it's fully charged, you can play for 24 hours on a single charge. With the built-in power bank, you can keep your phone powered up whenever you are. IPX7 waterproof and floatable. Boom 2 outdoor speaker is designed to handle any adventures, so you can listen worry-free at beach, by the poolside, or in the rain. The speaker deserves your attention. Boom 2 outdoor speaker uses customizable pro equalizer. It got lighting effect. You have various lights with this speaker. 80 watts max booming bass, rich detail, powerful beat, 2.1 channel sound with active crossover, and you can connect this speaker with over 100 speakers together. Beat sync, colorful light show, built-in power bank, connect 100 plus speakers, seamlessly link over 100 speakers with Partycast 2.0 for next level immersive sound. So what we want to do is to check this stuff out and see what is inside. I hope it will help you to make a fun choice about this speaker. Beautiful. Nice. So this is USB to C cable. Nice packaging. And information pack. Brilliant, look at that. So this will give you the lighting effect. So with this cable, the only thing is you need to find the head, okay, for you to be able to charge this up. This is C to C cable, but I'm afraid the problem with this is if you are in UK, so you need to find the charger head to go with this. But also, you see the charger head here is like USB, so you need to find the C cable with the USB part, and this is just a good example. So you need a cable with this to go in, and take this end on the input, then plug it onto the power, and the light is showing here, which means that you recognize the cable. This speaker, you switch it on and off from this button here. This button here is Bluetooth. Minus is for you to decrease the volume. The center one is pause and play. Plus is for you to increase the volume. Button here is pairing and bass. This is Soundcore 2, very portable. And switch this on. And see the light. I'm going to show you how to connect this speaker to your laptop and also to your phone. Switch the Bluetooth on and the Bluetooth is highlighting, then you need to go to your phone. It will show you Soundcore Boom 2. You select connect, and this device now is connected. Select done. Now the next thing you need to do, so if you go to the Soundcore app and it's connected, if you want to add this to your laptop, then you need to go to your laptop settings, go to the Bluetooth, go to settings and switch Bluetooth on. Select add a device, select Bluetooth, and it will start to search for available Bluetooth device. Soundcore 2, Soundcore Boom 2 audio is available. You need to select, and it's connected. So now this speaker is connected to the mobile phone and also to the laptop. Then you need to select done, so you can connect as many as you like, as many devices as you like. And also sometimes people ask, how do you know the battery charge when it's fully charged? You keep an eye on the speaker. If you look on the device, you see 60%, so it will tell you the battery level, especially from the laptop. Soundcore Boom 2 connected mic audio, 60% battery. So when it's fully charged, you will see it from the laptop. Now we're going to test the audio using Epidemic Sound, so you can play music you have your laptop or from any device. So go to Epidemic Sound, is music for content creator. So go to save music, it's the audio.
But I'm getting so impatient. Tell me that you're ready now. This room is big enough for two, and I wanna do that. Promise that would wait for you. But I'm getting so impatient. Tell me that you're ready now. This room is big enough for two, and I wanna do that something that will blow your mind. Do you know the things you do to me? Judge me and I'll make you understand. Yeah. Do you know the things you make me feel? I can show you if you take my hand. I just wanna dance with you. Let me take you under where nobody can see. I just wanna dance with you. Harder than the summer, so put your hands on me. Put your hands on me, on me, on me. Put your hands on me, on me, on me. Put your hands on me, on me, on me. Put your hands on me, on me. Before you, I was paralyzed, all broken down from heartbreaks. Then you came and set me free. You've taken me to paradise, where nothing is a mistake, where we move so flawlessly. Do you know the things you do to me? Touch me and I'll make you understand. Yeah. Do you know the things you make me feel? I can show you if you take my hand. I just wanna dance with you. Let me take you under where nobody can see. I just wanna dance with you. Harder than the summer, so put your hands on me. Put your hands on me, on me, on me. Put your hands on me, on me, on me. Put your hands on me, on me, on me. Put your hands on me, on me, on me, on me, on me, on me, on me. Put your hands on me.
This speaker is beautiful. If the music is playing from the laptop, then you need to control the volume from the laptop or from the speaker. If the music is playing from the phone, then you need to control the volume from the phone or from the speaker. So you can add as many speakers as you like. If you want to control the light, then you go from the phone and change the light. So the lighting, this is flame, this light is flash, this light is energy, this one is firework, rainbow, wave, lightning, flash. Then if you want to control the BassUp, you select BassUp. You also have the option for equalizer to custom the equalizer, and preset. This is treble bass. You have voice, signature, balance. Beautiful.
Stretch my legs, eat some breakfast, milk and eggs. Brush my teeth up, wash my face. Start my day. Wake up, get up, stretch my legs, eat some breakfast, milk and eggs. Brush my teeth up, wash my face. Throw my clothes on, start my day. Wake up, I can smell the smoke from the bacon. Let's go, see the sun shining from the windows. Okay, I know that today'll be a good day. Okay, I know that today'll be a good day. A, B, C, 1, 2, 3. Drink some water, brush my teeth, get out of bed and I stretch. Bed in my hair is a mess. Look through my clothes for a fit. Anything I do is drip. Feel like a kid when I'm tick-tocking, I still keep it real as it is. I show my age, I don't switch often, I'm just as a dad as it gets. Try taking naps with my kids, talking, I'm guessing this life how it is. And I can't wait for the weekend, keep jammies on like I'm a kid, yeah. Wake up, get up, stretch my legs, eat some breakfast, milk and eggs. Brush my teeth up, wash my face. Throw my clothes on, start my day. Wake up, I can smell the smoke from the bacon. Let's go, see the sun shining from the windows. Okay, I know that today'll be a good day. Okay, I know that today'll be a good day. Feel good, feel great, can't complain. Look out my window, see birds and planes. Sun's out, some clouds, it might rain. Siblings on my nerves again. Summertime, go for a swim. Wintertime, go grab a sled. Spring, I might need an umbrella. Fall back in school with my friends. Attitude change like the weather. My mom tell me it never ends. Like clocks, we evolve in a circle. Every 12 months we do it again. Wake up, get up, stretch my legs, eat some breakfast, milk and eggs. Brush my teeth up.
I wake up in the morning with someone new.
If you want to play music from the phone, then you need to go to the phone and select the music and it will start to play. So if you go to the laptop and select the music, then the music will start to play from the laptop. So now we're going to play music from the phone. This is my laptop.
Don't have any plans, bring it. If you got a glass, fill it. 'Cause I need it, money is a bitch in it. I don't wanna think about it. So if you know the song, sing it. 'Cause I need it, take me to a place where the music's loud. I don't wanna live right now. Flashing lights. So let's get out. Let's get out. I got money in my pocket and I'm about to fucking drop it with you now. With you now. Tear the roof off every building. I know I'll be spending millions with you. Just tell me what you want to do. So let's get out. Let's get out. I got money in my pocket and I'm about to spend it all.
Beautiful. This speaker, if you want the buttons to be brighter, so go to the settings, Soundcore settings, then select button brightness. You can switch the light on the buttons here off. Likewise, select it low, medium, and high. Auto power off, switch it on and off. So auto power off is off now. If you switch it on, then you can select 20 minutes. If the device is not playing music, it will automatically turn off after 20 minutes. You can select 20 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, or 60 minutes. So these are features this speaker got. You also have the speaker prompt and clipboard permission. So you have brightness, auto power off, fireware update, serial number, user's manual. If you want to disconnect it, then you select disconnect. It will ask you, are you sure you want to disconnect your speaker? You select OK. If you want to connect it back, then you go to the Bluetooth setting and switch it on again. This is something I thought to share with you. Thank you. Beautiful. Thank you very much indeed. And stay blessed. Thank you.